Hey, hello everyone, welcome to this video. So today what we're going to talk about is this: don't fall in love with your stocks. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so what we got to do here is we look at this screener called Ultimate Bear. Okay, so this is the Ultimate Bear. It shows me the most bearish counter in the whole market, as in the mid to long term bearish counter. Okay, so over here, okay, this what can this screener actually tell me is it actually shows me what are some of the stocks that is really not doing well right now. Okay, so over here you see like some of them, example like Gamoda. Okay, so over the past 1 year, before that it was okay, it was like on the uptrend, but after that, right now it's actually coming on the downtrend. Okay, stocks like this BJ Toto. Okay, so these are some of the counters that has been downtrending all this while. Okay, so over the past 3 years that this BJ Toto has been going down from $4, okay, from $4 all the way down to right now is like $2.50. Okay, so so what's happening in the market is people always buy a stocks because of the fundamental, and then after that they will just hold on to it. They think that it is okay because like this is YTL is one of the blue chip counter, it will not go bust. Okay, so so if you look at this, you look at some of the names, they are actually quite familiar names. So I actually remember, many years ago there was this stock guru, okay, in Malaysia. So he picks stocks based on the fundamental. Okay, he's one of the big guys in Malaysia. So he actually bought this counter called Tambun. Okay, so some of you, if you have been trading long enough, you might also know about this counter. So many years ago it was very good. Okay, so like 2014 it was going up, but after that it started to come down. Okay, and a lot of people, because he is a fundamental guy, he picks stocks because of good fundamental. So a lot of people, they actually bought into the story. Okay, so they bought into the story and then they just hold on to it. So if you look back, okay, if you look forward, what happened until today is this stock is probably one of the worst stock in the past 2 years. Okay, especially this year is probably one of the worst counter. It went down by 50 cents, it went down by 30%. Okay, so if you realize there's a lot of this trap out there that a lot of people after a while they just hold on to this type of stocks. Okay, not only in Malaysia, but if you look at it in Singapore, just take a look at all these counter. You just do this Ultimate Bear screen, you will learn something over here. Okay, you will learn something over here that is very important. Okay, so in Singapore there was this counter. I know this counter was very popular in 2009 2010. Okay, it's called Indo Food. Okay, so Indo Food Agri. Okay, right now it's hitting the 52-week low. Is for the longest time you never see it breaks below the 40 cents. Okay, but right now it is like 36 cents already. And I remember this Malaysia stocks, previously we look at it very frequently. We also have bought some of these stocks like Tufu. Okay, if you realize previously it was very uptrend, and after that it went into a sideway, and then after that it breaks. Okay, it breaks to the low. Okay, so first of all, it always never break the previous high, and then after that it start to break the low. Okay, so once you start to break the low, that's it now. That's the start of the bear trend. Okay, and also the other counter like Miko. Okay, also one of the counter that previously was very uptrending, and after that it turned red, and then that's it. Okay, it went all the way down. Okay, so and one more is this Notion. Okay, very famous Notion. Okay, previously was on the uptrend. Okay, this is a new high, it pulled back. Okay, the next time it didn't break the new high, and then after that it started to break the low. Okay, so after you break the low, that's it. Okay, so it goes all the way down. Okay, so basically we always like to be on the uptrend. Okay, and another famous Singapore counter like high flux. Okay, you see it breaks the all-time low when the market is near the all-time high. Okay, so that is the problem. Okay, so in Singapore, what's happening here? Take a look here. Okay, stocks like SIA Engineering, okay, is the blue chip counter, has been dropping. Okay, and Wilmar, okay, it has been dropping over the past one whole year. Okay, SPH, okay, and this the one and only biggest taxi companies in Singapore. Okay, this is making the new low today. So if you realize what's happening here is there is a lot of people out there that get stuck with all these so-called good stocks. Okay, so all these good stock eventually will get them into trouble. Okay, in fact, this is like Raffles Medical. Okay, so Raffles Medical used to be on the uptrend for multiple years. Okay, multiple years. So as I said, what do I mean by don't fall in love with the stocks is, okay, you only stay with them as long as they are uptrend, but when it comes to downtrend, okay, when it's no longer look like an uptrend, you have to learn how to get up. Okay, you have to learn how to get up. And the reason why I don't like downtrend stocks is I realize everyone like to buy low. Okay, and I realize buying low is not the strategy that will actually help me. Okay, so over here, if you look at it, okay, there is a lot of these stocks. Okay, that is when the market is going up, they go sideways and they go into a boring zone, and then after that it break the new low, and then after that it goes all the way down. Okay, so you can do this for many markets, especially if you want to do it. You also can do it for US market. Okay, so recently I saw this counter called General Electric. Okay, so US market, okay, everybody knows that they are actually on the bull market. Okay, a very, very strong bull. But what you don't know is this blue chip counter, General Electric, has been there for so many years. Now it is actually crashing. Okay, so you don't need to wait until the bear market to see such a dip. Okay, you don't need to see when it's bear market. Okay, now you can start looking at it. Okay, so if you are shorting, you can actually do shorting on this type of stocks. Okay, so this is AIG, let's see. Okay, so even stocks like AIG is not making new high, so they are having some problem. And the thing here is, if there's a bear market, this will be the stocks that crash. Okay, because they are already weak when the market is going up. Alright, so this is just a short video. I hope that it helped you to understand more about what is this ultimate bear. Okay, it actually shows you stocks that is currently near the 1 year low. Okay, so it shows you the downtrend stocks. Okay, so thank you for watching this. See you again.